Good morning, everyone. I am Sevinç Yolçiyeva, postdoctoral fellow at University Laval. Today, I will talk about my project is titled AI for Predicted Immunotherapy Response for Non-Small Lung Cancer Patients from Collagen Signature. Title looks complex, but my project represents intersection between AI, digital pathology, and cancer. As a cancer, we work the lung cancer data set. Lung cancer remains the leading cause of cancer-related disease, not only Canada, across the world. According Canadian Cancer Society and World Health Organizations, it is responsible around 23% cases of this. The most common type of lung cancer is non-small lung cancer. It accounts around 83% of all cases. But the problem, it is diagnosis at late stage when this is already progressed and treatment very complex. In another side, the overall survival rate is around 20%, which is very low, and it highlights we need reliable, better predictive model for diagnosis and prognosis for cancer. Another side, the immunotherapy is one of them treatment method for lung cancer. It's also give hopes to patients to recover from the cancer. But the problem, all patients doesn't give response to this therapy. This brings us the question, could tumor microenvironment, especially collagen, tell us more about which patients will predict immunotherapy? In our project, we try digging into this question. We predict AI-based model to find answer which patients give response to immunotherapy. First stage, we extract collagen feature or tumor microenvironment related feature from digital slides. Next step, we implement machine learning model. And third step, we investigate analysis between the tumor microenvironment and immunotherapy response. In our pipeline has multiple steps, and we have the very short time. I make a bit smaller. First stage, we have the digital slides. Digital slides is the medical image. We split it on the small patch. From the patch, we try to learn some information. This information, then we feed the model and predict patient response. As an endpoint, we use PD-L1 and progression-free survival as an endpoint. This endpoint helps the clinician to know the patient responds immunotherapy or not. When we check the primary result, we saw that it looks okay as a first stage, but we still need more investigation. And the AI show us some hidden pattern which is unseen for naked eye, and it gives us to improve diagnosis and prognosis of cancer. Thank you.
Thank you.